Hi everyone, my name is Marcella Tabarez, and today I am going to show you how you can order Avon books from your Avon Now account. So the first thing you're going to do obviously is log into your Avon Now account. So you're going to go to youravon.com, go ahead and enter your account number and your password. Now in order to look at the books or to purchase any books, you're going to go to order products, brochures, and flyers. And so here you can see you can either purchase a pack of 10 or of 5. But I want you to note that the pack of 5 is only for Spanish brochures, okay? If you're going to order English, you can only order in packs of 10. And they're super duper reasonably priced. So a pack of 10 is going to be $6.49. So I'll go ahead, order my pack of 10, add to my order, and then I also recommend that you purchase books for the next campaign. So I'm going to go ahead and order a pack of 10 for campaign 6. And then as you can see here, they are showing campaign 7, but I'm not able to purchase those books yet. So you're only able to order 2 campaigns in advance when it comes to books. So something that I recommend too is, you want to make that purchase worthwhile, so as you can see here, even though I'm ordering books, they're still going to charge me shipping, and that shipping is $8. Why not order some products from the What's New for yourself? So if you want to try out some products, or maybe you want to demo these products, maybe you want to host a party and you want to show these products, maybe you want to share them on social media, share your thoughts on social media. And so that's something that I would highly, highly recommend. I wouldn't just order books and that's it, to be honest, because that's $8 in shipping. And so, yeah, look through the What's New. What excites you? This should definitely excite you, depending on obviously when you are looking at this video. This is an amazing product right here that I highly recommend that you demo out to your customers. So something you can do is purchase this and get sample jars that you can purchase on Amazon for I'm sure $5, and send those out to customers, people that are interested. Or something else you can do is if you're already ordering products for your customers, to put your books in there too. Again, something else, if you don't want to order books, and if this is something that you did not know, you could actually get a digital version of the brochure. So what do I mean by that? So as you saw, I went to the top left and I clicked brochures. You're going to click on the latest brochure. So currently we're in campaign 4 and it's 2020. So this is what the book is at the moment. And if you can see this gray arrow right here, you're going to click that and it's going to take you to a digital version of the brochure. So what that means is you could easily download this brochure. Once it's finished loading here, you can download this brochure and save it to your desktop, and then you can just share the PDF file on social media or whatever you want to do with that. Or you could just easily share this link with your customers. And so what I like is I really like the layout here because it's like you're looking through the book, I love how they share both pages on one screen. So as you can see here, you can download it. So yeah, it literally looks just like the book. So this is something that people do if, they don't want to spend the money on the book, they just save that. But if you work super well with the books, then yes, definitely order those books. What else did I want to share with you guys? Oh, and if you don't know, if you go to your online store, so mine is, here we go. So I'm going to my online store, and you could share the book that's going to link directly to your online store. So what that looks like is if I share this link with anybody, they can browse through the book kind of like they're doing, but it's all online. And they can, whenever they click a product, they can easily add it to their bag. And that means that order is going to you. As you can see here, it says you are shopping with Marcella Tabarez. So that's another option. So there are a couple options on what you want to do with your brochures. It's all up to you. If you do super well online, then go ahead and share that brochure that's going to link directly to your online store. If you love to, sell face-to-face, order your books through Avon Now. So just some options. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.